Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Show all icons in the system tray. So click to start, type run, right click to run as administrator, otherwise you can open it, single click to open. After that type this one, explorer shell 3 dot, okay, and then click to ok. This command I will give in description, so you can copy paste, otherwise you can type manually. Then tick allow show icons notifications in taskbar, okay, this, and then click to ok. Check this and then click to ok. Okay, then next method, right click to taskbar setting, right click on taskbar empty space, and then click to taskbar setting. Then scroll down, find out taskbar other system tray icon. Okay, if it is off, so please click to on, and which is you required, just click to right tick. Okay, and then close it. Then click to start, type next method, type task manager, open it, then find out explorer.exe, click to full screen, select this one, right click, select and right click to restart. After that it will come again black screen, and then come again the windows, then close it. Now it is normal. Then next method, click to type cmd in the search box, and then right click to run as administrator, then type sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage, and when it is completed, then try to second one restore command. This is so important for your system. You can use same window but it complete, and then try second one, type this one, okay, and then hit enter. After that it will complete the 100%, it will start like this. Okay, when it is completed, then need to restart your 100 need to restart your system, and then please check it. Thank you.